Check this out. You don't see this every day. Boom. An old Model 12 with a China con on your Tridicon fake. You can tell. One dead giveaway is the zero, the optic zeroing. The turrets are silver. The Tridicon is black. They are. Plus it says patent pending. That's one way to tell. A Tridicon just says patented. Patent or patented, whatever. And one other thing is the color of the black. A real Tridicon is a more flatter looking black. And also the edges on a real Tridicon, the edges of the optic are rounded. They're not sharp. But anyway, I had a buddy that wanted me to put that on his old Model 12 because they have a shooting match, they call it, back here in the mountains. And a shooting match is not what you're thinking. It ain't like a 3-gun match or something. They take old shotguns, well, any shotgun, and they put a target out at 30 some yards, most of the time about 30 yards, 32 or something. And they draw a little bitty tiny X on it, or like a cross, and whoever gets one of the pellets dead centered, or whoever gets closest to that, wins. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But anyway, I put that on it for him, and I'm going to try to zero it. And now here's the first shot I'm going to take with it. I'm going to see if we're anywhere close. I have a light bulb over there first. I'm going to see if it hits it. Yep. Okay. I have a water bottle sitting on top of that tree that's been cut down. See if I can take it out. And at my front bead, I can tell. Keep on. If I can do this or not. I'm not good at tossing right-handed, left-handed. Right-handed, throw it up and see. Maybe I did hit it. It was getting bust. Already got problems. Red dot turned off on me. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to range it for 30 yards. And see where we're at. Off to the right some. And then back to the center of the target. And time ago. We ought to be 0. Really, it didn't take many rounds to do that. But shoot. Oh yeah, let me dial in. I'm gonna get on the target here. My pattern, I had a few right in the center. My pattern looks more high, so I'm gonna bring my dot down a little bit. What was in the red was 3 or 4 dots.